of the greatest manifester, the greatest creator, had his back. So whatever he needed, he knew was at his fingertips. Hey beautiful ones, Fran here, back with another video. So before we go any further, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for being here. If you're new to Fran's fam, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you don't miss any of the videos on this channel. All right, guys, so today I'm hopping on because I was sitting in my office, as y'all can see, and I was studying, right? And I was thinking, and I was studying, you know, I got my message Bible, I got my pen and paper, looking up stuff on the web, and I was creating, because I'm doing this project, and I was thinking about manifestation, right? And I was thinking about how everybody is talking about manifestation and all of these ways to manifest and on and on and on and on and on. And what came to me was, who is the ultimate manifester? Who is the ultimate creator? Like, who is the bomb creator? Who is the creator of all creators? Like, the hierarchy. Like, if there was one person that I would look to as the guru of creation, who would that be? Right? And I know that you guys probably think I'm going to say me, because I am the miracle manifester and I'm also the manifestation boss. However, it's not me, right? The ultimate manifester, the ultimate creator is God. Let that sink in for a minute. Let that sink in, right? Everything that God created, he created with his spoken word, right? God didn't jump down off the throne and say, oh, let me go build this house. Let me go build this land. Let me go get this ladder and put stars in the sky. God said, let there be light. Let there be darkness. Let there be man. Let there be woman. He used the power of his spoken word. Now, I know y'all saying that, well, Fran, we talking about God. Of course we are. Because the most amazing thing, we're going to get to that in a little bit, is that everything that God created, he never thought twice about it. He created it because there was a need for it, there was a desire for it, and he wanted to have it, right? He wanted to have all of the things that he created that we now have. The oceans, the grass, the sun, the flowers, the wind, the rain. Let there be. Then when Moses, we all know the story of Moses, right? When God sent Moses to do some work, right? First Moses was like, I don't know if I can do this. I ain't equipped for all this. And he was like, you don't have to be equipped. I got your back. Just do what I'm telling you to do. Step out in faith, and whatever you need, I got you. Moses said, okay, I'm on it. I'm on it, right? So Moses goes, and he's working, and he's dealing with old Pharaoh. Y'all know the story, right? And then Moses has this thought. He's like, well, wait a minute now. Let me ask God a question. So he goes back. So, I'm illustrating this to you guys as I see it, right? So Moses goes back to God and he says, Lord, I have a question. Can I ask you a question? And God's like, of course you can ask me a question. You can ask me anything you want. So Moses says, well, when they ask me who sent me, what do I say? And God says, I am sent me. I am. I'm going to let y'all sit with that for a minute too. Just a minute. Let's sit with that. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine the power that Moses must have felt, understanding that it wasn't his power, but the power of God within him? When he showed up knocking on Pharaoh's door, right? Where he could have been killed, beaten, slaughtered, jailed, whatever. He knew that he had the power of the greatest manifester, the greatest creator, had his back. So whatever he needed, he knew was at his fingertips. He needed the rod, the staff to open and part the Red Sea. He held it up and the power of God parted the Red Sea. Now, a lot of us think we got some problems like the Red Sea in our life, right? So when Moses was leading these people out of captivity, the Red Sea was a problem. But God told Moses, all you need is this little stick. And whatever you need to be created with this little stick, this staff, this rod, I will create it for you. The rod was Moses' tool. Just like our tool is our faith. That's all we need. Because we have the power to create, because the greatest creator, the greatest manifester, the number one manifester, has given you the power. I am because I am and I am. Anything that you say after I am starts the process of creation. So now tell me why manifestation is bad. Or tell me why you can't create and manifest what you desire, or why you shouldn't have it, when God has given you the power to have everything you desire. Moses was just a man, just like I'm just a woman, and you just a woman, a man, until the power of God ignites in you and you realize that you are connected to something so big and so amazing. And it's all right here written in the word for you, whether you call it the word, whether you call it a story, whether you call it a book, whether you call it your sword, whatever you call this, it's all right there. God says the power that is in me is in you, if you believe it to be. You have the power to create your life. because you are connected to the greatest manifester. You cannot look at the manifestations of God and doubt that manifestation is real. You just cannot do it. There is no way that you could look through the word. There's no way you should even be able to look out your window and not believe that manifestation is real. I can guarantee you that half of your life right now is because of what you thought, what you said, and how you felt about it. You are manifesting and creating every single day of your life, whether you believe you are or not. And that's the power of God working through you. We are God in action. You don't have to play small. You have to apologize for it. You ain't even got to explain it to nobody. You just have to know that you know that you know. Isn't that good? Isn't that amazing? You can have what you desire. Your spoken word has the power to create. And you've been given that power by the ultimate creator. Wow. All right, y'all. I got to get back to work. But I just had to jump on and share this with y'all because I thought that was so powerful. I felt like that was a message that needed to be shared. Somebody needs this today. I know I needed it. Changed my whole vibration around what I have and what I will create in my life. Because I have the power to do just that. All right, guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.